नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण पाहणार क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन्स इंट्रोडक्शन्स. आता या इंट्रोडक्शन्समध्ये आपण थोडीशी पाहणार रिव्हिजन. त्यामध्ये ॲक्टिव्हिटी 1 दिलेली आहे पुस्तकामध्ये. क्लासिफाय द फॉलोइंग पॉलिनॉमियल्स ॲज लिनियर अँड क्वाड्रॅटिक. म्हणजे इथे काही पॉलिनॉमियल्स दिलेले आहेत, त्यांना लिनियर अँड क्वाड्रॅटिक पॉलिनॉमियल्समध्ये काय करायचं आहे, विभागायचं आहे, वर्गीकृत करायचं आहे. लक्षात. तर आता इथे बघा, 5x + 9, x² + 3x - 5, 3x - 7, 3x² - 5x आणि दिलेला आहे 5x². तर यामध्ये आपण जर जुना अभ्यास केला पाहिला असेल तर 5x + 9 दिस इज ए लिनियर पॉलिनॉमियल. 3x - 7 is another linear polynomial. Then x² + 3x - 5 is a quadratic polynomial. Then 3x² - 5x, this is another quadratic polynomial, and 5x², this is also the quadratic polynomial. From this classification, what we say, which are called the linear polynomials and which are called the quadratic polynomial? In the linear polynomial, degree of polynomial is 1. The degree of polynomial 5x + 9, means the highest power of the variable, is 1. And therefore, here the degree of this polynomial is 1. Degree is 1. And here 3x - 7, it is also degree 1. And hence we conclude that if the degree of polynomial is 1, म्हणजे पॉलिनॉमियलची डिग्री किती असेल, 1 असेल, then it is linear polynomial. म्हणजे if the degree of polynomial is 1, then it is called the linear polynomial. Now the quadratic polynomial. Here the highest power of variable is 2. Here is also 2, and in the third example it is also 2. And therefore they are called the quadratic polynomial. म्हणजे if the degree of polynomial is 2, then it is called the quadratic polynomial. When we equate this quadratic polynomial with 0, म्हणजे हे जे क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन आहे, म्हणजे x² + 3x - 5 याला इक्वेट केला आपण कोणासोबत, 0 सोबत. याला आपण 0 सोबत इक्वेट केलं. 3x² - 5x = 0 आणि 5x² = 0. When we equate the quadratic polynomial with 0, then they are called the quadratic equation. Then they are called quadratic equation. लक्षात राहिले. म्हणजे जेव्हा आपण क्वाड्रॅटिक पॉलिनॉमियलला 0 सोबत काय करणार, इक्वेट करणार, तेव्हा त्याला म्हणायचं आपण क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. Number 2, observe the coefficient and fill in the boxes. There are some quadratic polynomials. You observe these quadratic polynomials and their coefficient and then fill it in the boxes. So in the first step, coefficient of x² are the first polynomial. Coefficient of x² it is not given and therefore taken as 1. In the second polynomial, coefficient of x² is 3. And in third polynomial, coefficient of x² is 5. In these three quadratic polynomials, the coefficients are non-zero. म्हणजे coefficient of x² is not 0. Coefficient of x are, in the first quadratic polynomial, coefficient of x is 3. In the second polynomial, it is -5. But in the third polynomial, the term of the x is not given, but we can write it as +0x, and therefore its coefficient is 0. Constant terms are, in the first quadratic polynomial it is -5. In the second quadratic polynomial it is not given, therefore it is taken as 0. And in the third polynomial it is also not given, therefore it is taken as 0 respectively. Now we see the standard form of a quadratic equation. It means that the equation involving one variable, the equation involving how much variable, one variable, and having 2 as the maximum index, म्हणजे degree of that equation is 2. The 2 is the maximum index, then it is called the quadratic equation. तर त्याला काय म्हणायचं, quadratic equation. म्हणजे it contains one variable and maximum index is 2, then it is quadratic equation. General form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form. In this general form, a, b, c are the coefficient. So a, b, c are real numbers. A, b, c are real numbers and a is not equals to 0. Means the coefficient of x square is not equals to 0. And now we see the activity number 3 from this standard form. Complete the following table. Quadratic equation is x square minus 4 is equal to 0. Now you compare this quadratic equation with the standard form. Which term is not given? The middle term bx is not given. Therefore, you can add it at a proper place. Therefore, x square plus 0x minus 4 is equal to 0. The coefficient comparing, the a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 4. When we compare it with the general form. Now the second quadratic equation is y square is equal to 2y minus 7. We have to write equal to 0. And therefore we write it as y square 2y minus 7 taken to left side, it becomes minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. Now compare it. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to 7. In the third, x square plus 2x is equal to 0. First term and second term are given, but the third term is not given. Therefore, we write it as x square plus 2x plus 0 is equal to 0. Now compare it. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 0. Like this. Decide which of the following are quadratic equation. There are 4 equations, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have to decide which of the quadratic equation. Now the first equation is 3x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. In this equation, 3x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. How many variables are there? There is only one variable and it is x. Therefore, x is the only variable. X is the only variable and the maximum index is 2. 3x square minus 5x plus 3. The index of x is 2 and therefore it is a quadratic equation. Similarly, in the equation 2, 9y square plus 5 is equal to 0. In this equation, 9y square plus 5 is equal to 0 is the only variable. Which is the variable? Y is the variable. And the maximum index of the variable is 2. There is only one variable and maximum index of the variable is 2 and therefore it is a quadratic equation. In the third example equation, m cube minus 5m square plus 4 is equal to 0. In this equation is the only variable. Which is the variable? M is the only variable, but the maximum index of the variable काय म्हटलं इथे ब्लँक आणि दिलेला आहे 2. तर 2 आहे का उनके मॅक्सिमम इंडेक्स नाही. मग इथे लिहायचं but maximum index of the variable is not 2 and therefore it is not a quadratic equation. Now in fourth, L plus 2, L minus 5 is equal to 0. There is a multiplication of these two brackets. You have to multiply first bracket to second. That is L multiplied by L minus 5 plus 2 multiplied by L minus 5 is equal to 0. L multiplied by L square. L multiplied by minus 5, minus 5L. Plus 2 multiplied by L, plus 2L. Plus 2 multiplied by minus 5, minus 5 to the 10 is equal to 0. L square. 2L minus 5L. म्हणजे किती झाले? minus 3L. Minus 10 is equal to 0. Now in this equation is the only variable. Which is the variable? L is the variable and maximum index of the variable is 2. Maximum index of the variable is 2 and hence it is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. Check whether x is equal to 3 upon 2, x is equal to minus 2 are solutions of the equation. Number 1. put or putting x is equal to 3 upon 2 in the equation 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 2. X square means 3 upon 2 whole square minus 7 multiplied by 3 upon 2 plus 6 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 upon 2 whole square means 9 upon 4 minus 7 means 7 upon 1, 7 3s are 21 upon 2 plus 6, that is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 9 upon 2 minus 21 upon 2 plus 6, that is equal to, here the denominator is same 2, in numerator 9 minus 21 plus 6 is equal to 21 minus 9, that is equal to 12. This is minus 12 upon 2 plus 6, that is equal to minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. Means here we say that the 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0, and therefore x is equal to 3 upon 2 is the root of given quadratic equation. How we decide it? It is a root of given quadratic equation. We have to substitute the given value in the quadratic equation. If the left hand side will become is equal to right hand side, left hand side will become equal to right hand side, then we say that it is a root. If they are not becomes equal, then we are say that it is not the root. Secondly, x is equal to minus 2. Putting x is equal to minus 2 in the equation 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 2. X square means minus 2 square minus 7 multiplied by x means minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 2 multiplied by minus 2 square means 4 minus minus plus 7 2s are 14 plus 6 2 4s are 8 plus 14 plus 6, that is equal to 28. 14 plus 6 20, 20 plus 8 28. It is not equals to 0. Therefore 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is not equals to 0, and therefore x is equal to minus 2 is not the root of given quadratic equation. Means for x is equal to minus 2. For x is equal to minus 2, the left hand side does not become equals to right hand side, and therefore we say that it is not root of the given quadratic equation. If for the given value of the variable, if left hand side will become is equal to right hand side, then it is called the root of the given quadratic. Next activity, if x is equal to 5 is a root of equation kx square minus 14x minus 5 is equal to 0, then find the value of k by completing the following activity. Which is the root? X is equal to 5 is a root. If it is a root, it means that it satisfies the equation, and therefore let x is equal to how much? 5 in the equation. Now whenever you see the x in the equation, you have to write 5. Kx square, k 5 square minus 14, x means 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 5 square means 25k minus 14 5s are 70 minus 5 is equal to 0. Now 25k minus 70 minus 5 minus 75 is equal to 0. 25k is equal to minus 75 taken to right side, it become plus 75. K is equal to 75 upon 25 is equal to 3. Is it clear? Now practice set 2.1. First example, write any two quadratic equations. Any two quadratic equations in variable x. You know that the quadratic equation, it is in the only one variable, it contains only one variable and maximum index is 2. And therefore we can write any two. X square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0 and another 2x square plus 5x minus 7 is equal to 0. You can write. Now practice set 2.1. Example number 2. Decide which of the following are quadratic equations. First is x square plus 5x minus 2. Which is the quadratic equation? X square plus 5x minus 2. It contains only one variable and having maximum index 2 and therefore it is a quadratic equation. We have to write it here. In the equation, x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is only variable. X is only variable and maximum index of the variable is 2 and therefore it is a quadratic equation. Example number 2. It is y square is equal to 5y minus 10. Y square is equal to 5y minus 10. We have to write given equation in this form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 form. And therefore it is written as y square minus 5y minus 10 taken to this side, it becomes plus 10 is equal to 0. Now we write the answer. In the equation, y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. Y is only variable and maximum index of the variable is 2 and therefore it is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. Third example, y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 2. You know that the general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. There is no variable in the denominator and therefore in this third equation there is a variable y in the denominator. We have to delete it and for that multiply each term. Multiply each term by y. So y square multiplied by y cube plus 1 upon y multiplied by y means 1 is equal to 2 multiplied by y 2y. Therefore y cube minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. This 2 are taken to left side and therefore in this equation, in the equation y cube minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Y is only variable. Y is only variable and the maximum index index of the variable is not 2. Maximum index is 3. It means that it is not 2, and therefore it is not quadratic equation. For example, x plus 1 upon x is equal to minus 2. Similarly, here also the denominator contains x. We have to remove it, and for that multiply each term by x. The x multiplied by x square plus 1 upon x multiplied by x 1 is equal to minus 2 multiplied by x minus 2x. It is written as x square minus 2x taken to left side plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, and therefore in the equation x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is only variable. X is only variable, and maximum index of the variable is 2, and therefore it is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. Now in fifth example, m plus 2 multiplied by m minus 5 is equal to 0. We have to write it in this form: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and therefore multiply m to m minus 5 and plus 2 m minus 5 is equal to 0. m multiplied by m square minus 5m plus 2 multiplied by m 2m plus 2 multiplied by minus 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore m square 2m minus 5m minus 3m minus 10 is equal to 0. Now in the equation m square minus 3m minus 10 is equal to 0. m is only variable, and maximum index of the variable is true, and therefore it is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. Now sixth example. In this example, here is also m cube and here is also 3m cube. They are like terms, and you can know that we can simplify the like terms. m cube 3m cube taken to left side minus 3m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 0. m cube minus 3m cube, that is equal to minus 2m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 0. Now changing the sign, we can write it 2m cube minus 3m square plus 2 is equal to 0. Here change in sign, and therefore in the equation two m cube minus 3m square plus 2 is equal to 0. m is only variable, and maximum index of the variable is not 2, and therefore it is not a quadratic equation.